Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today we'll be showing you around this stunning brand new Audi A1 Sportback. This hatchback comes dressed in the gorgeous shell white, sure to turn heads when on the road. All while standing on 16-inch alloy wheels with a 10-spoke design, making a bold statement with every turn. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish cloth upholstery with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the cloth upholstery. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as connection to your mobile phone device and a variety of your favourite DAB radio stations. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps. For wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth in the car menu, with parking aid for rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces, and driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place, and radio to choose from your favourite DAB radio stations. Below you have the manual air conditioning, so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature. Stay connected with the 2 USB charging points, finished off with the sleek manual gearbox and 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees. This brand new Audi A1 is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today, who will be more than happy to help. Thank you.